attack.
This
How
is the
to drain?
syringe.
How to drain a
This is the syringe. This is the patient.
patient?
And this is the pleural effusion. And I am going to tap.
Pleural effusion.
This is the
This patient was admitted chronic breathlessness,
chronic
since
pleural effusion and cough
1 month of
and
duration.
loss of photophobia.
Nobody diagnosed what is pleural
And I
effusion.
am tapping.
And this doctor who was doing GP in street.
We should always do it under GA.
No, LA.
Oh, okay. It is controversy. We can do it either in GA or
But
LA.
this doctor is doing it without GA or LA.
And finally, this is the aspirate.
It is
Now
clear,
we will-
and we will send it for pathology.
Yes. This is the pleural effusion that is been.
Dr. Kambi on
He's watching.
advice.
Now patient is better.
Patient is better, but
And we are still tapping. It will take hours of our pleural effusion. It more or less looks like an ascitic fluid.
no.
Clear.
Clear.
Translate.
And already we can see
Patient
the
is
symptoms.
better.
Symptomatically, the patient is
better, but the doctor is not better.
Thank you for your valuable cooperation with the pleural effusion.
If you have any patient like this, please refer to Dr. Katu from Wayanad. Hello.
This is the aspirate.
Aspirate.
You can see when the aspirate is thrown on the face of the doctors, it will be like this. ഈ കാറ് മൊത്തം കാണിക്കും.
അത് അടക്കടാ എന്തിനു തുറന്നു വെച്ചേക്കുന്നത്?
Now we will ask the patient to be in lithotomy position. And when the patient is relaxed, we will tap again.
ഇത് ഇന്നൊന്ന് ആസ്പിറേറ്റ് 26